How to change language on Steam mobile app. Hello and welcome to our channel Whizz. In this tutorial I'm going to show you how to change language on Steam mobile app. So please watch till the end to properly understand that tutorial. So it's quite easy. You will have to go to your Steam app and then click in the three horizontal lines at the bottom of your screen. Here you're going to find almost at the bottom the settings. And the fourth option is the language. Right now it's in English, but I can switch it perhaps to Deutsch or Spanish, whatever you want. I'm going to switch it to Spanish and that's it. Quite easy. Now you have it in a different language. I'm going to repeat the process. Remember, almost at the end are the settings. And the fourth option is the language. So this is how to change language on Steam mobile app. Thanks for watching.